Hip adduction with internal rotation, stability ball. Stand with legs apart, stability ball between the legs. Press the ball inward from both sides and release. The target muscles are the hip adductors and internal rotators colored red. The hip adductor muscle group plays an important role in both movement and stability of the hip joint in many athletic pursuits. In addition, hip internal rotation is very important in sport and performance training. The action in the hip joint is adduction with internal rotation. The adductors not only adduct the hip, but also internally rotate the hip joint. The anterior fibers of the gluteus minimus and medius internally rotate the hip. This animation illustrates simply how the adductors and gluteus minimus internally rotate the hip. The connecting point of the muscles to the anterior part of the pelvis enables them to draw the pelvic bones slightly forward and thus rotate it internally. In this animation, we see how activating the hip internal rotators relaxes the hip external rotators, among them the piriformis. Strengthening the hip internal rotators can alleviate situations of high nervous tonus in hip external rotators.